Hello YouTube, back again with another review. Today we got something, it's a free item. It's a rare free item, but sometimes if you wait for the coupons, they'll eventually you can get it for free, or you can just buy it for like $4, $3 or $4. It's the flyswatter from Harbor Freight. It looks like a racket. It's yellow. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the review. Alright, here's the electronic fly swatter from Harbor Freight. We got item number 61351. That's the name. Basically all this is plastic, including the yellow and black. Here you got your trigger button. This is where you push and this lights up. As you can even hear the, oh shoot, you can even hear the current, which is pretty yeah, it's actually pretty intensive. It does work. It'll kill the bugs instantly. I just shocked myself. That's the first. I usually touch this and nothing happens. But yeah. Anyways. Yeah, this is the. It does work. I actually killed a couple of flies with it already. This is the part where you touch it and it actually discharges the electric current, and it shocks the flies, the mosquitoes or whatnot. So as you can see, I just got shocked right now. It's funny. Anyways, yep, here's the battery compartment. All you gotta do is just pull this tab, and then you got your there you go. You got your Thunderbolt Magnum heavy duty D size battery, 1.5 volts. What I did is I just bought a pack of these. You know, these you can't get those for free, but you can buy them cheap. You know, buy a big pack, and just it takes 2 of them. So just take, you know, the pack includes like 6 of them, 5 or 6. So you got plenty to spare there. Anyways, but yeah, this is a good item. I do have footage of the fly that I killed with this. It didn't actually kill it. It kind of froze it. It froze it, and it was moving for a little bit, and then it just died. So it did kill it eventually. But they do drop when in contact with this. The flies and the bugs, they do drop instantly. So you'll see them come down. And I'll show you guys the footage. Alright. Well, that was my quick review for this electric fly swatter from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Now you can actually hear them.